we decided to incorporate and bring IEBC to Cerritos College because we understood that it really was about a cultural shift for our campus. And we wanted a framework and a tool to assist us in engaging in those conversations to help our campus become more comfortable and acquainted with data-driven conversations. We understood that in order for the shift to happen, we needed to get folks excited about the process, to get excited about talking about data, as we know that data-informed practices are integral to the process of addressing racial inequities that exist within systems, particularly within the community college system. And so as IEBC often puts it, we know that anecdotal experiences are sometimes unreliable in making significant decisions. And so we wanted to really focus our campus on how to feel comfortable making data-driven decisions. And so we invited IEBC to come to our campus, and Jordan, I have to say, is a rock star because he has impressed many members of our campus community who are currently working at Cerritos College, but also worked at other campuses with his specialization and experience and his ability to lead campus conversations and a campus in the right direction when it came to data utilization.